hello guys. So, kumusta kayo guys? How's your day? How's your Sunday? Kumusta ang araw nyo guys? So, ayun, dito ako guys. Ito ang ano natin. For today's video guys, nag-coffee na naman ang Inday. Si Inday Joan nyo guys, hindi talaga mawala ang coffee. Of course, coffee and biscuit. So, yun lang guys. Siguro kayo dyan, masarap ang merienda nyo guys. So, ito tayo guys, simple lang tayo ngayon. Wala tayong ano guys. So, ito lang. Okay na to guys. Mabubusog na tayo. Ayun, si Tiktik ko din o yung ano ko, manok ko. Nakahintay din, nakaantay din. Kaabang din. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Musta ang lahat dyan? Siguro busy kayo ang iba dyan guys. Busy banding. Busy shopping. So, enjoy. Family day. No? Happy Sunday. It's a family day. Banding. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. So, ingat kayo guys. Keep safe kayo lahat dyan. No? Saan kayo ngayon guys. So, always lang kayo ingat dyan. Keep safe. Guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day to all and everyone. Keep safe. Have a blessed day. So, coffee guys. Cheers. Thank you for watching guys. See you next again. Bye.